preview.
Hey everybody, I'm Parikshit from Kids Animal Club, and today we are going to draw a cute baby kitten.
Cute baby kitten. Very easy. Step by step drawing of
Cute
a cutie pie.
baby kitten.
So we start with the
Eyes.
eyes.
But always in the drawing we start with the eyes only first, because it is important.
Okay. And now we make the.
Oh, please wait for me. Please.
Okay. Why are you coloring now? We make the small nose. And we make the small tongue. Are you done till here? Next what should I do? Leave your hand. Yeah. Okay, now next would be.
So let's complete the head.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
And this continues like this. And this continues like this.
I'm
Okay.
actually not drawing a baby kitten.
Then what are you
This is not looking like a baby kitten.
Okay. Okay. Now what do we do next? Now we make the hands. The baby kitten's hands. Cute hands. One hand like this. And the other hand like this. And then we make the neck. Okay. Now we make the. What do we do next? See.
I don't want to.
Now let's.
You make me do bad drawings. If I follow you.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Oops.
What happened?
It's okay. No. Okay. Okay. And even my drawing is not good today.
My tongue is good. See,
It does
Baba.
not look like a kitten only. And a small tail. Does your drawing look like a kitten?
See, Baba.
Yes, it does. Very good, very good. Mine does not.
Yeah, it's
So today you will only complete the drawing, okay? Your dad will not. Okay, let me also complete. But your drawing is far better today, right?
Please color little. Hmm?
Yes.
Can we color it?
Yeah, why not?
I'm not doing. I'm just drawing a normal kitten. See, Baba. This one is looking much cuter.
Cuter, very cute. So cute. You color it with this pink color.
What?
Cutie pie.
That's a way I understood I can do something. See.
Yes. And then?
You also color.
Okay.
Now we are going to use a pen. Wait. We can use light orange also. But what are you doing everything? Is that look nice? So friends, if you love the drawing, do like and subscribe my channel to see more tricks, I guess. Woo!